Now we are at Toyota Camry 2009. We have to check the cabin filter if it needs to be checked, because I'm going to the auto shop to buy air filter. So if it needs a new cabin filter, I have to buy at the same time. So it was located at glove box, and then there's lever here. No, what do you call this? And then you have a plier. Pinch this one. Lift it up a little bit, and then push. Then pull this one. But I need two hands. Push. Oh no. I need two hands. Okay, I already remove it. Because this one there's a gap, so just pinch that one to make it smaller on the hole, and then pull this out. Pull it out like this, and then this one is gonna drop. Oh, it's not dropping yet. How come? I think there's one more lock over here. Let's see. I think this one, because since it's movable, this one is blocking it right there. So just pull it out, but you need to force it a little bit. It's plastic. The same thing with the other side here. Pull this out until the glove box gonna drop, so that you have access to the cabin filter right there. Already pull it out. This one is going to this, so I pull it out. So later on I just slide it back in. The same thing with that one right there. This one, now we have access with the cabin filter. You have to pinch these two, and then pull it out. This is the cover. Wait, over here looks like the cabin filter has never been replaced since I bought it, so I need to pull this out. It looks like so dirty, a lot of leaves. I can see it right away. Ooh, wow, look at that, so dirty. Now I have to buy a cabin filter. That need to be replaced. This is the new cabin filter for Toyota Camry 2009. It's the new one. Already removed it from the box. Microguard cabin air filter. Okay, put it in. Showing over here up. In the cover, showing up also right there. Ugly hand. Lock and load. Then put back the glove box. Same thing, lift this up. Then insert these two things. These things is gonna go lock over here. Just squeeze the plastic thing over here, both sides. I need two hands. Just align them, because it's plastic. It's gonna squeeze. It's gonna squeeze in, and then push it all the way. Now it locks. The other one too. There. Then I'm gonna put back the lever over here. Spring loaded. Need two hands for that. Just align the hole over here, and then insert over here. And this one is gonna automatically open one way. If you squeeze this one, that's the one that when you remove the spring loaded thing, plastic. Careful, this one might break because it's only plastic. It's all made of plastic right here. Look at my hand.